tear the bead.
You said what?
The tricky thing with these ones is to not tear the bead. Because it's such a tight sidewall, it's hard to make sure that everything goes perfect.
That's why they got you on the job. You the best in the city.
Supposedly. My paycheck doesn't reflect that yet.
We need to do something about that, dude. All right, y'all, this is how the rim look without the tie on it. Dealership couldn't fix it. I had to come to my man, Discount Tire. Levi about to kill it. Here's the crack, y'all. They say this was me, but ain't no way. Here's the new one coming, y'all. Here's the new one. Look at that baby boy right there. It's a baby boy right there. Easier putting it on and taking it off?
Sure. With these run flats, it's a little bit more difficult.
It's not a run flat though. That's not a run flat.
This DT right in here,
Yeah.
it's zero pressure. It can run without
Oh, for
any
real?
air. Yep.
My man, I didn't even know that. You just taught me something.
This one's weird that way.